What's good, my beautiful kings and queens? It's Wini Boansi. Now today you are witnessing my first natural health video, and I'm going to be discussing about moringa seeds. Now Moringa oleifera is also known as the tree of life because of its potential to use everything from its roots to leaves to seeds for various health benefits. Moringa is mostly grown in the tropics of Asia and Africa, and it is rich with antioxidants, vitamins, amino acids that can help with various health conditions such as high cholesterol, high blood pressure, and digestive issues. Now, in order to get to the actual seed, you need to remove its outer shell, or what most folks call the outer wing. I think it's safe to say that for once, I'm actually benefiting from wearing acrylic nails. When you get to the actual seed, it should be off-white in color. When consuming it, it will strike you as bitter, but after continuous chewing, it will become sweet. Some people recommend having it with water for extra sweetness. Moringa seeds can be roasted, steamed, boiled, or eaten raw as a snack. Now let's get cracking and discuss the 8 health benefits of moringa seeds. Lowers blood sugar levels. Diabetes is one of the biggest health issues in society today. Diabetes affects the body's ability to produce insulin. According to the Doctor's Health Press in 2014, a study showed that moringa seeds lowered the blood sugar levels in rats. Another study in the Journal of Diabetes found that moringa pod extracts help to increase insulin production and protein levels and reduce blood glucose levels. Along with diet and exercise, moringa is a good way to manage diabetes. However, make sure you consult your doctor or healthcare professional before consuming. 2. Lowers high blood pressure and cholesterol. High blood pressure left untreated can lead to various things such as stroke or other heart conditions. Moringa improves the heart contracts, making it easier for blood to pump around the body. Moringa seeds are 70% oleic acid, which protects cell membranes from free radicals and helps to reduce blood pressure. 3. Promotes healthy skin. Moringa seeds contain 70% oleic acid, meaning it can penetrate deep into layers of skin. Moringa seeds are high in over 30 antioxidants and vitamins, including vitamin A and C. 4. Increases energy. A single serving of moringa has 3 times the amount of iron than spinach. Moringa is also a great natural alternative to your usual sugary energy drinks. 5. Promotes healthy digestion. Moringa is high in fiber, which equals to healthy bowel movements. 6. Highest plant protein. Moringa contains 40% protein and 9 essential amino acids. That is 9 out of the 20 that our bodies can only produce from food. 7. Protects and benefits your eyes. Moringa is super high in lutein, which is a carotenoid known to promote healthy eye function and prevents macular degeneration. 8. Promotes liver function and detox. Moringa is high in chlorophyll, which you can think of as the red blood cell of the plant world. Chlorophyll is known as a superfood for its antioxidants, anti-cancer, and overall health benefits. I've actually been drinking liquid chlorophyll for about 6 months now, and I will be discussing this at a later date. I was just about to thank y'all for watching this video, and then I remembered I did not mention the 4 moringa seed don'ts. So here we go. Don't make the mistake of eating moringa seeds on an empty stomach. If you decide to do so, you may run the risk of literally having the runs, or you may end up becoming sick. Don't consume moringa seeds while you are pregnant. I would also recommend to not eat more than 3 to 4 moringa seeds per day because although they may seem tiny, they are hella powerful. And last but not least, please, if you are on medication, seek professional advice before consuming moringa seeds. I am not a healthcare professional. I am not a doctor. I do not work within the healthcare industry. This is just me sharing the little bit of knowledge that I have with y'all. But yes, thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure that if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. And until my next video, be good.